My name's Trevor, and I work at C&H Foreign Auto. I was a Jaguar and Land Rover factory trained technician for 15 years, and I recently started working at C&H Foreign Auto. The automotive repair industry is a good industry to go into. It's challenging and it's rewarding, and you pretty much get out of it what you put into it.
My name is Nick Stangl, and I work for C&H Foreign Auto. Automotive repair is always a good career choice. You know, there's always going to be automobiles out there, and they're always going to need to be repaired or maintained, so we need educated people out there to perform these repairs. And I've been here about 16 years now and learned quite a bit.
I work here because of the core values. Working on European cars is rewarding, it's challenging. I'm learning something new every day.
I would encourage other people to start working here at C&H. We're a great employer. We take care of our customers as well as our employees. Great 401k plans. The opportunities are endless.
C&H Foreign Auto is a great place to work. It's a family-owned business, and they really treat you like a person and not a number.